The future of luxury travel has a new name, and it towers above the rest, the 2026 Mercedes Double Decker Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace designed to redefine what it means to live, travel, and explore in style. When you see it rolling down the road, you know instantly, this is Mercedes pushing boundaries like never before. From the outside, the Mercedes Double Decker is a masterpiece of engineering elegance. Its sleek silver body stretches across two towering levels, with flowing aerodynamic lines that reduce drag despite its immense size. The front fascia carries the iconic Mercedes emblem, illuminated in white light, flanked by futuristic LED headlights that glow like jewels in the night. Chrome accents shimmer across its body, and the panoramic windows wrap around both decks, giving it the appearance of a floating skyscraper on wheels. Powering this colossus is a hybrid electric drivetrain that merges raw diesel strength with advanced electric propulsion. This dual system delivers silent cruising when you want efficiency and commanding power when you need to conquer mountains, highways, or endless deserts. Smart energy recovery keeps its massive battery banks charged, while roof-mounted solar panels ensure your off-grid adventures never run out of juice. Step inside, and you'll feel as though you've entered a private jet that has been stretched across two luxurious floors. The lower level is a social hub designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush lounge seating, crafted from fine leather and stitched with diamond patterns, welcomes you into an atmosphere of pure indulgence. A 4K OLED entertainment wall, immersive surround sound, and mood-controlled lighting make this the perfect space for movie nights, gaming, or hosting guests. The kitchen on the lower deck is a chef's dream, sleek countertops, smart appliances, induction cooktops, and a concealed wine cooler. Everything is integrated seamlessly with Mercedes' digital ecosystem, allowing you to control every detail with just a tap on the central touchscreen or a simple voice command. Climb the spiral staircase to the upper level, and you discover where this motorhome truly earns its crown. The upper deck is a sanctuary. A master bedroom suite stretches across the rear, complete with a king-size bed that adjusts itself for perfect posture, floor-to-ceiling windows that let you wake up with panoramic views, and even a private balcony that extends outward at the push of a button. The second level also includes a spa-inspired bathroom with marble accents, rainfall showers, heated floors, and even a mini sauna for the ultimate relaxation. Nearby, a private office space allows you to run your empire while traveling the world, with high-speed satellite internet keeping you connected anywhere. And then there's the rooftop terrace, accessible via a retractable staircase. Imagine sipping champagne under the stars, with built-in lounge seating, a fire pit, and even a compact hot tub. The Mercedes Double Decker is not just about traveling. It's about creating moments that feel larger than life. Safety and intelligence are at the heart of this machine. AI-assisted driving, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree camera systems ensure complete control. The motorhome learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and even suggests the best scenic routes to make every journey unforgettable. The 2026 Mercedes Double Decker Motorhome isn't just a camper. It's a two-story luxury estate, a moving fortress, and a statement that life on the road can be just as glamorous as the world's finest resorts. It's built for dreamers, leaders, and explorers who refuse to compromise between comfort and adventure. This is more than a motorhome, it's Mercedes redefining freedom on wheels. The question is, if you had the keys to this double-decker masterpiece, where in the world would you take it first?